of a so-called Haitian newspaper. He writes in that newspaper that these are people making revolution. They're killing poor people. Poor people they're killing in the poorest neighborhoods of Haiti. And this man, Kenneth Ives, who calls himself Kim Ives, he goes on television, he uses his money to let the world know that these people who are dying, they don't matter. This is collateral damage in his revolution. The residents of Ditmas Park should know that it was in our country, Haiti, in 1804, that the revolution to free black people from slavery happened.
Yeah, good, sir. Good, take a picture. I like it. It's a terrorist, me here.
This happened in 1804, 221 years ago. The British government didn't end slavery. The French government, the French Revolution didn't end slavery. And definitely, the American Revolution did not end slavery.
Yes.
Slavery ended in our country.
We have here got independence. We have a Chicago.
This racist who lives in this building, he thinks,
Dahoud Andre,
because he
head
believes
of
he's a white
Komokoda
savior,
organization,
that
lecturer.
his God sent him to save poor black Haitians. And so he has the nerve to tell us that the people killing us are revolutionaries.
Nonsense! Lies!
The criminals killing us are revolutionaries.
Nonsense! You can do a big film, you know?
It's okay.
We want the neighborhood to know that it's a racist, a criminal, a terrorist who lives in this building. Yes. By Munio Paptation.
No.
Yeah. So we want you to know, please take a flyer, read about Haiti, read about what's happening, get information, find out why.
We are in front of Kim Ives' house, located at 547 Argyle in
And
Brooklyn, New
outside of
York.
Haiti are telling the
Komokoda is
world
protesting. This action is against Kim's Ives personally.
that it's a crime against humanity that is going on in Haiti, and yet in his newspaper he's telling the world that this is a revolution going on.
Lies!
That the lives of the black people in Haiti don't matter. Kim Ives, murderer, stop your genocide in Haiti.
Kim Ives, shame on you.
Stop your genocide in Haiti.
Kim Ives, shame on you.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!
Kim Ives, shame on you.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!
Kim Ives, criminals.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!
Kim Ives, gang supporter.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!
April 11, 2025.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!
Komokoda action against Kim Ives.
Stop your genocide in Haiti!